The thing that I love the most about design is that I have an opportunity to travel the world, meet wonderful people, and deliver their dreams. I'm Andres Escobar, designer, and welcome to this wonderful penthouse in Kips Bay, New York City. The challenge with this place was to create a very unique, spacious, beautifully curated apartment that would allow the resident to actually have all kinds of experiences. So the place will feel not only well appointed, but also will bring in all this natural light and all these fantastic views that we have around us. Here in the living room, we wanted to be fairly eclectic. Yeah, given that the space was actually fairly large, we were able to actually put a very contemporary sectional alongside the swivel chairs. They happen to be Fendi. We chose these swivel chairs for many reasons. They're wonderful, they're beautiful, the materiality is incredible. The lighting in the living room actually is a very contemporary light fixture, which is Swarovski crystals. And what we wanted to do is we wanted to create a little bit of glitter. So the light fixture actually enhances and reflects on this silver leaf ceiling that we have created. For the dining area, we actually selected a material that will look like a continuity of the actual countertop of the kitchen. The chairs, wonderfully fully upholstered. When you're in here, you feel like you're indoor, outdoor. Even when the shears are closed, you feel that the light is permeating through it. The lighting was sort of a very interesting approach because what you have in the living room, what you have in the dining room, what you have in the kitchen, they kind of speak with each other even though they're very distinct from one another. And that was also, again, part of trying to create those kind of like little scenes within the same open space. The kitchen was fully designed by us. We have selected all the materiality, all the wood essence versus the glass cabinetry, the island being natural stone, the whole selection of the appliance package and everything else that should work kind of like in unison. The breakfast nook is actually a continuation of the whole space. So the walls are also Venetian plaster. You have your own specific chandelier above it. You actually have great views, you're in a great surroundings, and it's your most comfortable space to begin the day with. This apartment actually has 4 bedrooms, and we have 2 principal bedrooms. In this particular apartment, we have the bedroom that has outdoor space. It has a beautifully 5-piece bathroom, and the closet is everybody's dream closet, fully well appointed. For the principal bedroom, we use very simply faux fini, meaning special paint throughout. I wanted to have this sort of like feel of being kind of like a silk finishing on the walls. It was something that it was designed specifically for this principal bedroom. Since this apartment had such vast outdoor space, we wanted the terrace that is adjacent to the kitchen, living, dining room to be an entertainment extension of that aspect. For the terrace in the bedroom, so we wanted to create a little area where you actually could sit down, have coffee in the morning, and it takes a different personality as what you would find on the living space. Designing a special project is a combination of customization, the textures, the materiality, all of that combined brings the design to a completely different level. And this is what we achieved here. Thank you for coming.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.